Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. Now, if you've looked at some of our Scratch Junior lesson plans, you may have seen this project that's called Creating Rain with Code. While that's cool and all that you can do that in Scratch Junior, but what does it look like if you try and simulate some weather in Scratch? So we're going to take a look at this project. Now, this project is called Winter and is by AHZ415. Now, this one simulates snow. It is winter at the time that I'm recording this, so we click on it. It makes it so that you can actually move by moving your mouse to the right. Oh, we see a snow person. And then we can move to the left. We see a little crow. And then we've got some smoke in the background. Looks like some houses. And you can even click to throw a snowball. And then there's also a bird that'll sometimes fly by the screen. Oh, there we go, just as I was saying it. Okay, so this is a really neat idea. Not only are they making it so that the backdrop is kind of interactive where you can move around and you can throw snowballs, but it's making it so that the snow is slowly falling to the ground. Some of them are moving faster than others, some of them are bigger and smaller sizes, etc. So this is a really neat idea. If you want to check out this project, make sure you click the link in the description, which will take you to this, and you can give them a comment giving them some praise for their awesome work. If you got a really neat idea that simulates weather, make sure you comment below so that way we can take a look at it, and maybe I'll turn that into a future neat idea video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.